Hello guys, we are in Slim Part 2. Slime. And someone's playing on Xbox.
And we're going to be making jiggly slime this time.
Put it in the water.
Ah, no. I'm going to drop it in. No, don't.
Oh.
Dunk it in. Right.
Oh, it's wet.
It'll stick to you.
Mm-mm. I've been in the belly. I almost slipped it. Ball over.
It'll stick to you.
Who thought that was funny as guys when we both just went like ooh, ooh.
No, you can.
You weren't a fit. You weren't a fit, but your fit will get broken.
What? It's waterproof.
I haven't had a Fitbit before. I'm getting a Pringle.
They're mine.
I don't.
No, Alfie, they're mine.
Can I have a Pringle?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Only one.
I am.
Put them.
Someone's watching our videos inside his house.
The slime is tooted. We're just checking.
Yes. I check if people are subscribed.
It's not sticky when it's in. Don't you think that's weird, right? If you poke it now, it's not sticky at all. Like if you play with it, then when you take it out, it's sticky.
After
Isn't
this,
that weird?
after this, John will go to the shop and get some cheese and onion Pringles. John will go to One Stop to get them. One stop. You only get one chance to go here, and then that's it.
Oh, it's really.
I want to play with it.
No, it'll really, really stick to you. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's stuck.
Wait, can you do that thing like where you do it and then I poke my finger through it?
Ah. Smooth the butt.
Oh my god, that has slime touch on it. Why was I even wiping my face with that? I still have a bit of Pringle in my mouth.
This is really sticky.
You just broken my slime. Gracie! Gracie! Help us. There's always slimes getting stuck on my body part. There's slime on your thumb. Can't nobody tell me no pain.
You're not really doing anything, are you?
Play with it. I want to play with it.
Play with it. Don't take it out. It'll stick to you.
Very on, Barbara.
Right, I'm gonna knead it little part by little part.
And guys, it is the Halloween countdown. I already have my costume. Yeah, I know I was going to make you pick out 3 costumes, but I lied.
Alfie, stop making that noise.
Oh!
Exactly. What was I telling you?
I don't know.
That was smart, wasn't it? Alfie, get your thumb out my way. You're not getting slime all over me. I told you not to touch it. It's your fault.
Bohemian Rhapsody's fault. There we go.
If there's slime everywhere, it's not my fault. It's yours.
This does on my phone. Here it is.
Now take my advice. Don't touch touch it. Because that will happen. Am I smart?
Yeah. This is probably the messiest video. It's probably the
Look,
messiest.
it's even sticky for me, so...
This is the messiest. This is the messiest video we've ever done.
What time is it?
Muffin time. I've still got some on my fingers, but I'm just wiping it off. Forky. Hi, Daddy. What doing? Ooh, ooh. Hi, Daddy. Wanna lick the slime?
Are you going trick or treating this? Yeah.
What?
Are you going trick or treating?
Yeah?
Oh my god. She had to tell me to come here in the middle while I'm making slime.
Okay, I'll just play with it.
No, you won't.
Just have it. Oh my god, it's coming out the bowl.
No, it doesn't get open.
Yep, poop. Poop, 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 poop. Not again. It's on my table.
Oh my god, it's everywhere!
Oh no, that slime got a disease.
Oh my god, it's really sticky. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
Gee,
god.
gee, whoa, whoa. Ah! Everybody's like, baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, do.
Alfie, take the lid off that.
Do, baby shark, do, 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 do,
There you go.
baby shark. Mommy shark.
Oh my god.
How do you take the lid?
Alfie, just pull it! Are you disabled?
I don't think I can take the lid off.
Alfie, it's the easiest lid to take off. Pull. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh, it's literally... crap. Right, squirt loads of it in.
You mean in the slime?
Yeah, well, no, on the table, obviously. Loads and 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 stop! Right, put the lid.
There'll be extra in now. But it turned into normal slime now.
After we put loads of it in, because look, we made it way too watery. It's because you were faffing on.
Oh god, guys, that is funny as.
Yeah? Have you finished all your dances for sure?
Yes. Anyways, guys, so yes, the slime looks like that now because I poured too much of this in. And I'm gonna lick it.
Can you get me a baby wipe from under there?
Underwear.
On the second table.
I just made an underwear joke. Underwear.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to add more glue and make like a whole new slime.
It's a whole new world.
Look, Alfie, turn the camera on it.
It's a whole new world. Right,
now get me a baby wipe.
I don't think we have any. Oh god, the phone's falling.
What? How long is the video? 15 minutes.
Oh god. Camera went a bit dark. Did you see it going a bit dark? Should I get some more glue?
Ew, ew,
I'll go and get the glue.
ew, ew, ew.
I think it's too heavy.
Can you even lift it up?
No. It weighs the size of Andre the Giant.
Oh my god, will you get me another baby wipe?
Chrissy! Chrissy! Sorry. Oh my goodness.
Over on the edge of the table, move it. And Alfie should the baby wipes in the dryer.
Guys, this video has turned into a total wreck. Honest. I got it too. I'm crazy. This has turned into a total disaster. Honestly. Slime videos don't even turn into disasters and... Yeah, that is not even a slime anymore. This is not slime. That's not slime!
Alfie, why did you put your hand in it?
I don't know.
Yeah, Dad, I heard I will.
The video is ending.
Wait, just delete the video and start again.
We're not deleting it. We're uploading it.